Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, open Pokémon Violet and go to the game menu to prepare for trading. Make sure both players enable internet or local wireless on their Nintendo Switch. Save your game before proceeding to avoid lost progress or corrupted trades. Each player should have one Pokémon ready to trade, held, or in boxes before starting the link. Confirm both players have linked Nintendo accounts if trading online, and verify that software updates are installed to avoid compatibility problems. Next, open the Piquet portal from the main menu and select Link Trade to Start. Choose either local or internet trade mode, depending on whether you are nearby or remote. One player creates the link session, and the other player joins by accepting the invite or entering a session. Both players must confirm the connection prompt on their Switch systems to establish the link. Wait until the game shows both avatars connected before selecting Pokémon to offer for trade. Now select which Pokémon you will offer from your party or boxes in the trade menu. Review each Pokémon's details, including level, moves, held item, and any trade evolving status before proposing. Press the trade button to send your proposal and wait for the other player to review and accept your offer. Both players must confirm the trade for the exchange to process and finalize. After completion, check the received Pokémon immediately for correct details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.